Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we'll discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to the task number 1 and copy this name pub sub. Then come on to Google Cloud Console, paste it here in search box and open this first option in new tab. Then click on this create topic. And for topic ID, come back to lab instruction page, scroll down little bit. You will get this name, my topic. Copy this name, paste it here. Then simply scroll down, you will get this create button. Click on this create. Then just wait for some time. Okay, now scroll down little bit. You will get this create subscription. Click on this create subscription. Now again come back to lab instruction page, scroll down little bit. In task number 2, you will get this name again, my sub. Copy this name, paste it here in subscription ID and make sure that pool is selected. And scroll down and then click on this create. Then wait for some time. Okay, once you get this type of message that subscription successfully added, then simply come on to have instruction page and click on check my progress. For each and every task you will get the score. And so we are completed with this lab. And if you like this tutorial video, then simply hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section.